In honor of the Chinese New Year, Brow Bar by Reema brings this bold red makeup look. Let's do it together. After applying your favorite foundation, concealer, and powder, we will start with the perfect brows from the Brow Makeover Kit. I begin with the lightest shade on the inner part of the brow and build up the product, creating the shape that I like. Next, I dip into the darker shade and work on the tail end of the brow. The brow lift is perfect for cleaning up around the brows and defining the shape. Lastly, I coat my brow hairs in the brow gel. I love using the brow lift as a primer for my eyeshadow. We will be using the BH Nude Hollywood Icon Face Kit today. And starting with the contour shade, I blend that into the crease of my eye, and I also blend it in an upward direction with the cream colored eyeshadow. Next, I darken it up with the brown shadow on the outer corner and blend that in. After applying some eyeshadow under the lower lashes, we will begin the graphic eyeliner using the Rodeo Rouge lip and a detail brush. Take your time drawing on the curves and lines and you will have a nice clean liner. After coating my lashes with mascara, I apply rhinestones with some eyelash glue and then put on my favorite Diva lashes. We are going to add a little color to our face with the contour, blush, and highlight from the BH Nude Face Palette. And the final step is our lipstick with the True Shine Chrome Lipstick in the shade Lust Me.